Nasa riverside po tayo. Ito po yung Ambassador Bridge going to USA. And ito na nga po. Ayan. Tignan nyo po yung mga kiss nila, oh. Ayan, naghihintay sila ng mga pagkain, mga yan. Bawal kasi pakainin eh. And look at that. Look at the sun. It's past 8 p.m. Pero tingnan nyo, it's still sun. This place is good for walking, biking, and everything. That's why people lots of coming here. And look at the clouds. It looks like there's something thunderstorm. And maybe I'm going there because there's a lot of fishing there, not here. So I'm looking for the fishermen here. So by the way, I just across the street because over there is the Assumption Church. I just came from Assumption Church. So it's very, very close here. So I decided to come first here before I go home. So look at that. Is that a vehicle? It looks like a toys. Oh, they're small because they're far. Look at this is our Ambassador Bridge. Look at the sun. When the sun goes by. I love you, my heart. Look at this geese. They're looking for food. Akala ko naka-video ako, hindi pala. Sinamantala ko lang na nagdaan dito because I'm alone in the house. So minsan kasi may bayad ang parking pag you come here early. There's a parking fee. Look at that. There's a parking fee there. Parking meter. Yeah, this one. So now is after 6. After 6 or after 7. It's already free. And here you can use what's that? Bike, but not motorcycle. Look at this. Diba? And look at the sun. Almost 8. Where's the sun? Oh. I don't see the sun. Oh, there. It look like. Oh. Look at the sun. May dumating. Dami kasing tain nila, oh. Kaya ako maglakad. So, lots of food. Hindi nila tinitingnan yung mga ano. Oh, the sun goes down. 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Love, 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 mama.